How to recover deleted WhatsApp message. To recover deleted WhatsApp message, you generally need to restore from a backup, as WhatsApp does not store your chat history on its server and you must use your own cloud or local copies. If you want to recover or restore it from your backup, you have to make sure that you've already enabled backup. If not, you just want to make sure to open the WhatsApp, then tap the three dot and go to settings. Here you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for the storage and data. There you will be able to find chat backup or manage storage, right? When you do this, or when you tap on manage storage, you just want to make sure to go ahead and enable all that. What you need is, you could just go to chats and there you have chat backup. You could simply go ahead and enable backup, and whenever that you want to restore, you could simply go ahead and open the particular drive or a Google Drive, and there you will be able to find a file as a WhatsApp document, something like that. This way you're supposed to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. Now, here's one thing what you could also do is, once you've done backing up all your chats, right? You could simply log out of your WhatsApp and then re-log into your account. And when you have these options popped up, back up your old messages, something like that, you can simply tap open that up or just tap onto it, and you will have messages recovered or backed up already on your device as well. And if you also want to make sure to recover deleted messages, you could also do these steps. Now, this is only for a certain period. You just want to go to settings on your device. There you have notifications. You want to go to notification history. This is also where you can find your recovered, or you could find your deleted message as well. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.